Hi, today we're going to practice solving some equations. Let's look at the first one. 2x minus 5 equals 13. We want to get rid of the minus 5 first, and we'll do that by adding 5 to both sides. That leaves us with 2x on the left and 18 on the right. Next, we need to get rid of the 2, which is multiplied by the x. We divide both sides by 2, which leaves us with x equals 9, and we are done. For problem 2, we have to get rid of both the 3/5 and the 4. We'll first cancel the 4 by subtracting 4 once on the left and once on the right. From here, we have 3/5 x equals 15. We now need to get rid of the 3/5. There are several ways we can do this. One way is to cancel the 5 by multiplying both sides by 5. That cancels the 5 on the left, leaving us with 3x on the left and 15 times 5 being 75 on the right. That's one option. The other option, before I continue, I'm going to show you up here. I'm going to go back. I'm going to make this what it was, 3/5 x. Another option we could have done is treat this like a proportion, and we could have done cross products. 3x times 1 would give us the 3x, and 5 times 15 would give us the 75. Whichever one you're more comfortable with works just fine. From here, if I divide both sides by 3, I'll have x equals 25. So an equation that had a fraction wasn't so bad after all. Let's go on to the next one. The next equation, get ready to write it down. Equation number 3, 2/3 times parentheses 6x minus 12 equals 32. Here we have a fraction outside of parentheses. And again, with fractions, there are several ways we could get rid of the 2/3. I'm going to handle this one, however, by distributing the 2/3 into the parentheses. There's a couple of ways to do that. I'm going to show you one way. We're going to distribute the 2/3. So what I'm going to ask you to think of is when we distribute, we're going to consider 2 times 6, which is 12, but then that 12 has to be divided by the denominator of 3. So 2 times 6 is 12, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. So for that part, we're going to get 4x. Bring down the minus, because a positive times a negative is a negative. Now 2 times 12 is 24, and 24 divided by 3 is going to give you 8. 3 is the denominator, so it divides. 2 is the numerator, it multiplies. Let's do that one more time. 2 times 12 is 24. That 24 divided by 3 gives us 8. So let's write the 8 down right there. I knew it was a negative because the positive times the negative gave me the negative. And now equals 32. It looks like a nice regular two-step equation. Add 8 to both sides. I'll have 4x equals 40. I bet you could do this in your head. Divide by 4 and you're going to get 10. But let's show the steps. And x equals 10. There you have it. Well, I hope these 3 examples helped you a little better with solving equations. Good luck.